Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how you can promote Digistore24 products and earn anywhere between $100 to $300 every single day. I'm going to explain everything to you step by step so you can earn as much money as you can using this strategy. I will also share with you how you can go viral and get several commissions at one time as an affiliate with Digistore24. So be sure that you watch this entire video all the way up until the end so you will know exactly what you need to do. This will be a full, in-depth tutorial for complete beginners, as well as those who know what they're doing, but would like to learn more about how to do this better, so let's get into it. And the best part about this Digistore24 strategy is that this will only take 10 minutes a day to make money. What's also amazing about this strategy is that it's completely free to do. There will be no upfront costs that you have to fulfill. Before we get into this video about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, be sure to check out the link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the main page of the Digistore24 website. And like I said, I'm showing you how to make between $100 and $300 every single day. So make sure that you don't skip any part of this video and focus on every single step to learn exactly how you can do this yourself. So once you get to the Digistore24 website, you'll see right here that it says more sales, less work. Digistore24 is a platform for online sales that provides you with a built-in online store, an affiliate network, all popular payment options, and accounting automation, including tax automation. This website is similar to ClickBank in that it's also an affiliate marketplace with thousands of products that you can choose to promote and earn commissions with. Digistore24 is also an amazing alternative to ClickBank if you live in a country where you can't use or access ClickBank to promote products. It functions the exact same as ClickBank does, and in fact, it actually pays way faster than ClickBank does whenever you make a sale or commission. So this is a very good sign that you're using a solid affiliate marketing website. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on this button that says Start Now. It's free to sign up. After you click on that button, you'll then be redirected to this page right here where it'll say, you can also make money with Digistore24, the European affiliate network and reseller platform with the fastest growth in Europe. This is also available to people in the US. So you can see right here that this is a very solid website to use. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll see that it says sign up as, and then you have three options. You want to make sure that you check the circle that says affiliate. After that, you can create and enter your own username in this box. No need to worry about entering your affiliate link. And then you can enter your email and then create a password and repeat that password right below it. You'll choose your time zone and then fill out all the rest of the information below that. And then the last thing you'll do is check this box that says, I've read the B2B contract and the privacy policy and accept them. If you'd like to read the B2B contract and privacy policy, you can just click on the words themselves. And then after you've done all that, you can just click on the button that says register for free now. So after you've signed up and completed creating your account for Digistore24, you can click on the button at the top that says Marketplace. After you click on Marketplace, you will see this page right here with all these categories and products right in front of you. So there are three main categories that exist within affiliate marketing that are the most popular and highest profiting. You can find these right in Digistore24. So the first category is dating, love, and relationships. This category has always been extremely popular because it has always existed and always will exist, and also brings in a lot of issues or problems that people would like to resolve by purchasing products. There are also a lot of single people that would like to be in a relationship, so they will purchase products to help solve that issue. Now, for the second category that you can make big profits in is the personal development niche. This is a very popular category because people are always wanting to better themselves and fix any issues that they're dealing with relating to their identity or their goals. And now the third category that you can make up to $300 a day with is the spirituality and esoterics category. This category is becoming increasingly more popular recently because there are more and more people who are connecting with spirituality and believing in that niche. People are trying to become more in tune with themselves through meditation and manifestation and other spirituality related areas like that. So this category is quite popular. And when you click on the category itself and scroll through all the products, you'll see that the commission percentages prices are just super high. This means that you can make a lot of money when you promote these products. So you can choose any 3 of these that you'd like. These are just my personal recommendations to help you make the most money possible. But you can choose any of these categories in Digistore24 that you're most interested in and make money doing so. So I'm just going to select this product right here as an example, and then I'll click right here to take you to the sales page. And as you can see right here, this page has a video sales letter, and I strongly encourage you that when you select a product that it has a video sales letter, because it'll convert 10 times better than if it did not have a video sales letter. It will also add an element of intrigue and curiosity for potential customers, which is perfect because you want people to be curious about the product, which will make them be more willing to buy it. So after you've selected the product that you want to promote, the next thing you have to do is get your affiliate link. This link right here is going to be your affiliate link. In order to get this link, you just have to click this button that says promote, and it'll pop up right here. Make sure that you don't lose this link and that you save it, because this is how you're going to get paid. When someone clicks on this link and purchases a product from this link, that's when you're going to get paid a commission. So now that you know the best categories and products to promote, you're probably wondering how you're going to be able to actually get an audience to click on your affiliate links and buy. No need to worry, because I'm going to show you how to do that right now. But before I do that, make sure that you click the like button and click on subscribe, as well as the notification bell, so you are notified every time we upload a new video teaching you how to make money online. Before I show you how to get an audience to click on your products you are promoting and to buy, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing for complete beginners. So the strategy or method that we'll be using in order to promote products from Digistore24 is by using TikTok. So I know that sounds a bit crazy, and that you might think that TikTok is just for dancing and singing and silly little videos, but it's actually an incredible tool for starting your own business and promoting other people's products. Thousands and thousands of people are doing this on TikTok all around the world and are very successful with it. TikTok is the biggest social media platform in the world, and it's the fastest growing social media platform, and it's only growing. It's now at the same level as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and more. TikTok is doing so well right now that all these other platforms are trying to catch up to TikTok because it's so popular. What's so easy and amazing about promoting products on TikTok is that the videos are so short, therefore making it super easy to create videos to promote products. This means that you can make dozens of videos in one day and get hundreds and even thousands of views on a daily basis. That is an insane amount of traffic that's being directed to the products that you are promoting on your TikTok account. So if we take a look at this TikTok account in the manifestation niche, you'll see all the videos right here. So if I just click on one of the videos here and watch it, you'll see that it's a very simple video with just some text over it. So if you keep watching this video and stick with me to the end, I'll show you exactly how you can make these videos in literally less than 10 minutes. This will then allow you to upload these videos on your TikTok account and to have content for an entire week. So now I want to show you another example in another niche to show you how easy this is for anyone to do. So this TikTok account is in the dating, love, and relationships category or niche. So if I go back to Digistore24 and click on this category, I can choose from all these different products. So back on the TikTok page, you can easily get thousands of followers if you post frequently and consistently. I'm just going to click on one of these videos to show you how easy it is to make a video like this. As we watch this video, you can see how simple this is. You can see that it's got thousands of views and so many likes. There is no other social media platform out there that will give you this many views and exposure to get traffic to your products that you are promoting. So now I'm going to show you how you can make these videos very easily and quickly on your own. So what you need to do first is go over to a website called pexels.com. As it says, this is the best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators. So any photo or video on this website you can use completely for free and post wherever you like. So let's say you decide to use the meditation niche or category. All you have to do is search for something related to meditation or the word meditation itself. So let's just search for the word meditation. After we search for this word, you'll see thousands of different photos and videos related to meditation. So we are currently looking at just photos right now, and we want to browse through videos. So let's click on videos right here. You'll see all these meditation related videos that many other TikTokers are using that's getting them thousands of views. So you are going to want to replicate their videos, but with your own twist. Another important thing to remember is to change the orientation to vertical so it's in the right dimensions for TikTok. So I'll just click on this video right here. This is a great example of a meditation related video that you could use for your TikTok account. And you can see right here that it says free to use, which means that you won't get in any trouble if you post this video on any social media platform like TikTok or anywhere else. So feel free to use anything on pexels.com. This is one of the most popular websites that people download content from and use for platforms like TikTok. And what's also great about this is that having a PC or laptop is not required. You can download the Pexels app straight to your phone, either through the Apple App Store if you own an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you own an Android. So I strongly urge you to jump on this and get going with your own TikTok account, because literally anyone can do this, and the potential for growth and making money is endless. So now the final step I want to show you is learning how to come up with ideas for your TikTok videos. There are basically two strategies you can use. One, you can look over other people's TikTok accounts and study them, gain inspiration from them, and recreate their videos into your very own. The other strategy is by going over to Google and typing in your niche or category. So let's say we are doing the dating, love, and relationships category. We would just search in Google something like love facts. After you click search, you'll see dozens of different articles and resources that will talk all about love facts. So what you will do is click on an article, take notes on the content, rewrite the content into your own words, and then turn that rewritten content into TikToks. It's just that easy. So if you want to see some rapid growth with your TikTok account, I would suggest you set aside about 1 to 2 hours a day, create 21 pieces of content, and then post 3 videos per day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. You want to space them out. If you do this consistently, you will start to see some exponential growth in your account. And all it will take is for someone to click on your link in your bio and purchase the product you are promoting for you to receive a commission. Now, the last thing I want to mention in this video that's very important is you want to make sure that you put a Linktree link in your TikTok bio. Having a Linktree will allow for you to include multiple affiliate links to different products you are promoting. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.